All right, so next up we have is write, which is probably the easiest module in mesh. So let's start with set mesh normal. So what this does, as soon as I link it, it is going to make my geometry smoother. But currently, because this is set to sharpness and remove custom, it is making it as a smooth geometry. But if I add edge sharpness, it is going to make it look like a sharper, which is what we already had. And face sharpness also does the same thing. But let me actually give you another. Yeah, if I shade smooth this out, and if I link it, and I can actually remove it, or I can add a sharpness. So it does the similar thing. Face sharpness, edge sharpness almost does similar thing, but it is actually sharpening either faces or edges, and that is what sharpness mode does. Then we have a free mode, which is going to let us choose if you want to sharpen out if you want to set the mesh normal to point or to faces. Again, it is going to do the sharpness, and also it gives you another option to sharpen out the face corner. I don't think is there any difference between point and face corner. It looks same, but it acts little different. And obviously we have a custom normal option where you want to put your normal or anything where you need to normally make it look sharp according to some custom values. So again, I don't use that, but quite helpful. And then we have a tangent space option, which is just going to do nothing. Basically, it's just going to keep it like that. But you can still add your custom normal here, and you can change the value or anything to make it look much sharper. I like to just keep it like this, edge sharpness or sometimes smooth. So that is a set mesh normal. Then next node we have in right is set shade smooth, and as its name says, it is just going to set our shading as a smooth. And let me actually give you the before and after. So this is my current flat thing, which you can see. But if I set shade smooth here, it will make it very smooth. And obviously you can shift it from either edge or faces, and obviously you can select according to some index. And you can see if I switch to index, it will change something there. If I wanted to add ID, it will change it. So you can perform that operations. I don't like to do that. This works much better if we have subdivision. So if I have a subdivision here, let me actually give you 4, and you can see it works quite well. So you can create a subdivided look, which will help you a lot in geometry. I like to use directly a modifier here. If you don't know, we have a subdivision surface modifier, and we can obviously shade smooth or shade auto smooth directly by right clicking it. So I use that. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.